According to Harvard Business Review research, sales and marketing executives are losing 10 to 15% of their valuable time due to not automating manual and repetitive tasks. Isn't it so surprising? Would it not be more comfortable if with just a few clicks, so much of your time can be saved and you could stay on top of the things? Well, this is where automation comes in. Let me define what automation is. Automation is the use of technology to perform repetitive tasks of process in a business where manual effort can be replaced. Fortunately, there are various useful tools and software products out there that can help you stay focused, streamline processes, and save time. Salesforce automation tools. Okay, so let me start by asking you one question. How much time do you spend manually updating user profiles, pricing and permissions, or migrating data from one system to another? Most of the time, I guess, but do you know that these business processes and many more can easily be automated with Salesforce automation tool? With automated processes in place, users can get more work done faster and more precisely, and you can spend time on tasks that require attention. Automatic business processes is not easy, but powerful automation tools in Salesforce can be the fulcrum around which your business processes can evolve. Salesforce automation tool can help sales reps, marketers, and managers work faster and more precisely. It also assists them in staying focused on their core competencies so that they can grow and thrive. Automation tools in Salesforce work smarter and faster with Salesforce automation tools, tips, and tricks to automate business processes. Although there are many tools available for Salesforce process automation, here we have compiled a consolidated list of Salesforce point-and-click automation tools that businesses can use to automate their processes, such as sending emails, creating to-do lists, updating fields, creating new records, and much more. These fantastic automation tools offered by Salesforce help eliminate manual entry of data and save valuable time and efforts of sales representatives. Let me begin with a brief introduction to each and every automation tool. So first of all, let's talk about workflow rules. Workflow rules are the orders created by a Salesforce user to perform automated actions when certain conditions or series of conditions are met. This task can occur suddenly or can be scheduled based on a trigger at a particular time. A workflow rule consists of two main components. Criteria. This defines the condition to execute the associated actions. Actions. This defines what to be done when the criteria is met. The second one is Lightning Flow. Lightning Flow in Salesforce is a new innovative way for businesses to optimize their business processes. Lightning Flow provides declarative process automation tools that allow users to create visual and guided processes and easily integrate them to an application, record, console, and portal using two point-and-click automation tools, including Process Builder that allows you to build processes and Flow Builder that you can use to create flows. Coming to the third one, that is Salesforce Process Builder. Salesforce admin can execute process seamlessly through a convenient layout with point-and-click functionality. Create the whole process in one place instead of using different workflow rules. Create processes by interacting with various team members in your businesses. Now the next one is Flow Builder. Flow Builder consists of several ready-to-use screen components such as text boxes, radio buttons, and file uploads that help businesses save time, cut costs, eliminate errors. The operations that can be performed by Flow Builders are: with Flow Builder, you can respond to and send platform event messages, add automations to your pages and applications, set up automated tasks and processes. Lightning Flow provides two types of flows. You can use ScreenFlow to automate a business process that collects data from people. Auto-launched flows. You can use an auto-launched flow to launch a flow internally when the record changes. The last one in the list is approvals. Approvals in Salesforce requires the automation process one step further, empowering the user to specify a sequence of steps required to approve a record. The operations that can be performed through the approval process are field update, email alert, create task, and outbound messages. These above discussed automation tools are the most compelling tools in the automation of your organization business process. They will automate aspects of your business process to prevent errors, give your user more time and reduce costs. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest news on Salesforce CRM, Google Cloud and more.